The peregrine falcon stands out as one of nature's top predators and is known as the fastest animal on Earth. When it dives to catch prey, it can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour, turning it into a true missile of the sky. Peregrine falcons live on every continent except Antarctica and have adapted to many environments, from Arctic tundra to tropical areas and even city skyscrapers that resemble their natural cliffs. Their slate-blue backs, barred underparts, and dark helmet markings make them easy for birdwatchers to spot. These strong birds mostly hunt other birds while flying, using their speed and agility to catch prey with great force. Peregrine falcons were once endangered by pesticides, but they have recovered thanks to conservation efforts and now stand as a success story in wildlife protection.